Hey, what's going on, Aaron here? Hope you're doing well. If you're watching this video right now, you might be checking out Ipsos Isay and maybe you're wondering, can you really just come to this website, fill out surveys and make money? Okay, let's check it all out, right? Now, at any time, if you want to get my favorite strategy to get to $10,000 a month, 100% from home, click the link below and I'll share with you my favorite strategy. Now, on this channel, I've reviewed literally hundreds and hundreds of different ways to make money online. Some of them are really good, some of them are so-so. A lot of them, though, big waste of time. So let's check out Ipsos Isay to find out how good this particular survey website is. Okay, now taking surveys is actually quite a big and easy way to make money online, right? It's very popular. There are a lot of survey websites out there. Some of them, though, are not very good. So let's check out Ipsos to find out whether this is a good use of your time. Now, you can just come here and they're available in a lot of different countries. That's a nice thing about Ipsos, right? So you can see right here, they're in a lot of countries in Asia. They're not in all countries, but they are in a lot, in Europe, in Latin America, in the Middle East, in North America, and in Oceania as well. Okay, so if you're if your country is right here, then you can basically take Ipsos surveys and make a little bit of money, right? Now, if you are here, all you need to do is click on sign up right here. And they're going to ask you for some details. They will give you, 250 points just for joining, okay, which is pretty nice, right? That's about 25 cents, just so that you understand how that works, right? I'm sorry, that's $2.50, right? Which is not bad. $2.50 bonus right there. 100 points is basically equivalent to $1, okay? And once you sign up here, it's very, very easy. Then they're going to get you to confirm your email. That's really important. Fill out a few more details about your actual profile so they have more information on you. And then once you do that, you can essentially access their surveys. Okay, now here's the way it works. Once you've actually filled out your profile based on where you're located in the world and how many surveys they need to take at that particular time, you will log into your back office and you will see surveys that you need to fill out. Okay, now every single survey will pay you between usually about between 20 cents and $1, which is very normal in the survey industry, right? And you're gonna have to take a pre-qualification questionnaire as you're taking the surveys to make sure that you actually qualify for the survey. So sometimes you will be disqualified, sometimes you won't be able to qualify for a survey, because remember, they're looking for a specific type of person for each survey, and each survey is different, right? Which is very fair, right? But when you get disqualified, it does take a little bit of your time out from filling the survey, so you have to add that into the time it takes for you to fill out surveys. Now, some surveys will take 5 minutes, some surveys will take up to 30 minutes to actually fill out the survey. And again, on average, 20 cents to $1 per survey, right? Now, the other thing that you have to understand is you can't sit there and fill out 100 surveys a day, okay? Because the way that it works with survey filling is that you're going to run out of surveys to fill out at some point. So unfortunately, if you wanted to sit there and fill out 100 surveys today, you can't do that. Okay, but if you log in tomorrow, you might have a few more surveys. So it's kind of like you can spend a couple of hours a day filling out surveys, and that's pretty much it. Okay, now the big question is how much money can you make from Ipsos? All right, well, it really depends on your luck. On some days, if you've got a good series of surveys, and maybe you get like an 80-cent survey and $1 survey and a 50-cent survey, then it's not going to take you that long to rack up a few dollars. But sometimes you might just be filling out 20-cent surveys, for the whole hour, right? And in an hour, you might be able to fill out 4 surveys, for example. So if it's 20 cents per survey, that's about 80 cents, right? So 80 cents per hour, but again, it just depends on your luck. Sometimes you might fill out surveys that pay you a little bit more, right? So I would say that if you spend a couple of hours a day on Ipsos, expect to earn anywhere from $2 to $3 for a couple of hours of work, okay? So you're not going to get rich by any means, right? But it's going to help you to make a little bit of extra money, right? So it's roughly about $100 per month filling out surveys on Ipsos. That's if you can, get access to a supply of surveys where you're able to fill out, maybe 10 surveys a day. Okay, so just understand that it really has to do with the supply and demand and the time of year and just a little bit of luck and your location in the world. Okay, now if you can do that, you can withdraw basically from different ways. So first of all, you can withdraw through PayPal. The minimum withdrawal through PayPal is $5. Okay, so that's roughly about 500 points. They will charge you a little bit more for withdrawal fees as well. So it might be 600 points or 550 points, right? You can also withdraw through different gift cards depending on your country. So in my country, I can withdraw through my Touch and Go e-wallet, which is pretty cool because I can pay for a lot of stuff through Touch and Go. That's 1,000 points right here, which is $10. And then also on Grab, and Grab is very big in my country. We can, order food. I order food every single day on Grab. We take taxis through Grab. It's kind of like Uber, right? And also Steam right here, right? So depending on your country, you will have different gift cards and different ways to withdraw your money, okay? Which is pretty cool, right? And so that's, Ipsos in a nutshell. Now, I just wanted to make sure that other people were also having the same experience that I was, right? So I went to Trustpilot, and generally speaking, a pretty good rating, 50,000 reviews, 4.2 star. In general, you can see here, most of them are 5-star. You can see that there are some 1 stars, but it's very low, okay? It's only 8%. You only start to get worried when the 1 stars are more than the 5 stars, right? And if you look at the 1 stars, a lot of them generally have to do with glitches, okay? So sometimes the website does glitch. It has glitched on me before, right? So sometimes if you want to get access, you might not be able to. Unfortunately, some people have lost their accounts for no reason. I would just sign up with a brand new email if you can, because you didn't really do anything wrong. So sometimes it comes down to tech issues, but most of the time, a lot of people are getting 5 stars and a lot of people do like the platform, all right? So what I would say is, if you're interested in filling out surveys, Ipsos Isay is definitely a really, really cool survey website. Look, you're not going to get rich this way, but it's free. It's available in a lot of countries, and you can make a few dollars a day, right, from putting in a couple of hours of work, roughly about, I would say, $100 a month. It's bonus income, which is pretty cool, and you can get started making money this way, okay? So if you want to check it out, ipsosisay.com. Now, if you're here watching this video right now, maybe you are looking for a way to generate more significant income on this channel. I've reviewed so many different strategies. I've seen the good, the bad, and the ugly. But out of all the good strategies of making money online, I've used one to actually quit my full-time job in April 2019. I actually used this online strategy to 5 times my old salary. So if you want to check it out, just click the link below and I'll share with you my free masterclass and you can check it out if you want, all right? I hope you enjoyed this review of Ipsos Isay. All the best to you. See you on a money-making review next time. Take care.